everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been 2 weeks now since I actually sat down and filmed a video. I was on vacation. I went on vacation with my family to Florida and it was amazing. I had such a great time. I went to Disney World, I went to Universal, I went to SeaWorld, and yeah, I stayed at this nice resort with my family and I had so much fun. It was a very much needed vacation and it was actually a surprise to me. My hubby surprised me, so it was just so nice and a very good getaway. So let's get to the point of this video. So today I'm going to be talking about the Magic Star concealer. This is one of Jeffree Star's new launches. I know I'm super late, but I did purchase this before I went on vacation. I didn't have enough time to film it before I went on vacation. So here I am, better late than ever. And yeah, I just can't wait to try it because if you know me, you know that I am big on concealers. Concealers are like my main thing. If you notice here on my channel, I'm always reviewing concealers because I just feel like I could never find the right concealer. As I try new concealers, I let you guys know about them as well, so you guys can go and purchase them. So I have the base on my face, which was the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. And I also did my eyes a little bit. I'm going with a little bit of purple and pink. I'm still on that tropical vibes. If you want to see my review and what I think about the Magic Star by Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer, then please keep watching. So Jeffree Star launched this concealer and it says it's full coverage, long wearing, anti-aging properties, natural matte finish. I like the packaging, it's cute. It says Magic Star and it has his logo right on the center. This concealer costs $22. So of course for a high-end concealer, this is not that expensive. I know that there are way more expensive concealers than this one on the high-end range. Let's just open this up and let's see how it looks. Oh my god. I hope this is my color. I do have a tan now, so I don't know if this is my color now, but because I purchased this before I had a tan, so hopefully it works out. If not, then I'll just, you know, make it work. Love the packaging. I think it's so cute. It looks like this and it has this little plastic little diamond thing with a star on the top. I don't know if you guys could see that. 0.115 fluid ounces, 3.4 mLs. So I think that's bigger than my, let me see, my Milani. Oh no, 5 mLs. So my Milani concealer is actually bigger than the Jeffree Star concealer. Okay. So it also says that this creamy formula comes in over 30 shades, which I did see that it had a big shade range, which is amazing. You know, nowadays you're looking for that big shade range. You know, you can't be just having like 10 shades. That it doesn't work like that anymore. You need to have that huge variety of shades for everyone. It also says it helps even out skin tone and it has 20% pigment and can cover tattoos. Tips help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so I do have these ugly lines under my eyes, so let's see if they really works. It says this product is vegan and cruelty free without parabens, fragrance, and talc. So let's see how this works. I love everything that it says, especially that if it's a full coverage concealer. I'm always looking for a full coverage concealer because I do have these bad dark circles, as I always say on my channel, and I just love to skip the step of having to correct under the eye area because I'm just so lazy. So if I can skip that part with a concealer that is full coverage and perfect, then I'm always looking for that concealer. I'm going to just open it up and show you guys. I love the wand. Lately all of the concealers have been having this like pointy wand that you can like get in there, which is perfect. I got it in the color C14, which was, I think, neutral with a yellow undertone, if I'm not mistaken. I will link it down below. So I'm gonna apply that now, and let's see. Okay, so this is way too light for me, as you guys can tell. I love the creaminess already, and it's a bit too yellow, I think. I feel like I got a yellow corrector, which he does have correctors as well. So I'm just going to blend that under the eye area. Like I said, it is too light for me right now, so we're just going to blend that out. I actually really like it though, even though it's a bit light. I actually like the color because I do want my under eyes to be bright, and I feel like this is brightening the under eye area, and it has great coverage. I'm gonna bring that on the side of my nose and a little under here, because I do have a lot of dark areas around here. So far, I really like it. I feel like I could use a little more coverage on this area, so I'm going to apply a little more of that concealer on this area. But other than that, I really like it so far. I'm gonna blend out the other side. I feel like it's brightening my under eye area a lot. Notice it has concealed under this area a lot, which is perfect. Has not creased on this side at all. I really like that. I have to say I was a bit scared because the concealer was a bit light, but I feel like as I blended it, it blended so well with my foundation, and it's looking amazing. Okay, Jeffree, I see you. I really like it. For my preference, this is me, you don't have to do this if you don't like to. I always like to double up just because I like that extra coverage under the eye area. Does it smell like anything? No, it doesn't smell like anything. But I like to apply it just on this area here. Like I said, this is me. This is not because the concealer is not full coverage. It is full coverage. It actually covered a lot. This is just my preference. See if layered up, it starts to cake up and crease under the eye area, because I feel like sometimes you layer up and start adding more concealer, it actually cakes up and, you know, starts creasing. Girl, this is full coverage. Also to highlight, and I'm going to apply a little bit on these areas, and I'm not even going to apply the powder just yet. I would immediately go and apply powder under my eyes because I'm scared of creasing, but I do want to see if it creases, so I'm just going to blend this out before I go and apply the powder. So that blended so perfect, so good. I am honestly so impressed. I love the way it blended, and it's like such a great highlight as well on the skin. Since I didn't go immediately with the powder, like I said, there's little bits of creasing, but that is normal because I didn't apply the powder. So I'm not complaining. It doesn't look bad. So I'm gonna go in with the powder and just make sure that it doesn't crease even more, but I don't think it'll be creasing anymore. It really looks great. So as that bakes, I'm also going to finish my face, and I'll be back to talk more about it. But so far, I'm really loving the concealer. It is full coverage, as it says. I love the color that I got. I love the way it's so creamy, and it does have a beautiful matte finish. I'm gonna finish my face and I'll be right back. So, and here's my finished look. Just wanted to say that now that I'm finished, I removed the powder, I added you know, the highlighter, blush, all that good stuff. I just feel like the concealer is blending so well with all the other makeup. I really loving the concealer. I can't tell you if it's long lasting, if it's creasing during the day or anything like that. Maybe in another video I'll just briefly speak about it in the beginning, just to let you guys know how I'm feeling the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star concealer. But so far I am loving it. I give this a thumbs up. I think it's well worth the $22. Nowadays you're getting high-end concealers that are way more expensive, so I think $22 is just, you know, perfect. It's not too expensive, it's right in between. And you know, for a high-end concealer, like I said, it is a perfect amount, I think, of money that you should be spending on a concealer. And yeah, I can't wait to keep using it. I will briefly tell you in another video how I'm feeling it and if it was long lasting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this review and explained myself well. And if you have any other questions, please comment below and let me know, and I will let you know if I missed anything of the concealer. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Mwah!